Okay, so when we look at this spreadsheet, we see that this for destination, some students are finding it difficult. Remember that there are three airlines: British, Turkish, and Qatar Airlines, and destination for each are indicated in the respective sections or ranges. So let's look at the function on how we can use it effectively. So it said we are going to use a nested if with a left, because left in H7 over here is going to fetch us the first two digits, will be fetching us the code for the airline. So the first two, if the first two character is BR, that means it's British Airways. Then what are we going to do is we are going to use VLOOKUP as condition if true, and we can select H7 for looking up as a lookup value, and then we will be going to this table, and in this table you would see that your data exists here. You simply have to lock it, so fn f4, and you can simply put a comma 2 comma 0. So the first part for British Airways is done, so we have to just change the range and change the code for the other two airlines. So we can copy the same function, and I can use if I can use TU for Turkish. I will change the range for Turkish over here. I don't want this range. It's not relevant. So I'll go to Turkish over here. This is my range for Turkish Airlines. I'm done. I should be locking this thing. FN F4. Now the last F will be again copied, and this time so first is this, and then second is, I forgot to insert a F here. So this is a second F for this left of Turkish, and for the third F, uh, it's going to be um, Turkish, and the last one is Qatar Airways. So is equal to QA, and I'm going to change the Qatar Airways range also, because this is not the rightly defined range. This was for the Turkish Airways. So I'm going to change it over here by selecting this. So you see, when I select this and when I click FN and F4, it's going to work perfectly. All right. So except for I did not close it completely. Okay, yes, but it did work. So when I replicate it, it gives me the correct destination. Let's check TUOSP0722. TUOSP0722. Then let's check QA0WI1311. So QA013I11. So we can at random check. So BROSU1133. VROSU1133. Okay, here we are. So we are done with this.